Thank you so much for joining us at the 133rd edition of the Indian Oil Durand Cup 2024, powered by Coal India, organized by the Indian Armed Forces and supported by the government of Meghalaya. We're coming to you for another game. This one, the last group game of this edition of the Durand Cup. It's coming to you live from the Jawaharlal Nehru Stadium in Shillong, and it sees a cracker of a contest. Winner takes all. FC Goa taking on Shillong Lajong. It's a Group F game. Remember, whoever walks away as the winner in this game will walk in to the knockout stages of this edition of the Durand Cup. And we're off at the Nehru Stadium in Shillong. It's a winner-takes-all contest. It's a winner that progresses to the quarter-final type of contest. On your screens from the left to your right is Shillong Lajong in their all-white kit. FC Goa in their all-maroon and golden kit are attacking from the right to left on your screens. My name is Arjun Pandit. I'm joined in the commentary box by Henry Menezes, and it promises to be an exciting 90 minutes, the final group game of this edition of the Indian Oil Durand Cup. A good piece of play, of course, coming in from Shillong Lajong, and thus you can hear the decibel levels going up a little bit at the Nehru Stadium in Meghalaya.
I think Marcus on the end of that, look at that run, it's inch perfect there. He kept the ball inside. I don't think the ball was inside there, just on the line.
Taking that corner for them is their captain Hardy. Birthday boy puts in a ball. Is it a good ball? Straight away, and that ball is good enough. We told you, the big men are in the box. And it's one of those big men. Marcus, the Brazilian, has scoring for Shillong Lajong. As things stand, Lajong are moving to the knockouts of the Durand Cup.
The players really coming together. What a fantastic goal. And the corner was inch perfect there. Just nobody there to really, the goalkeeper gets his hands out. Couldn't get it on yet. And look at that. Fantastic tap straight into the goal.
The crowd is alive, the stadium is alive, because Shillong Lajong is now playing football like they belong here. They are dominating the game as far as they're moving ahead, but here come FC Goa. End-to-end stuff at the Nehru Stadium in Shillong. Beautiful piece of play down that right flank. Beautiful piece of play down that right flank that has got FC Goa back in this game. But just look at the confidence. Just look at the confidence of this young man. He's been impressing. He's been catching everyone in Indian football with his hard work and his display. And it's there for all to see. Got past his marker with ease. You thought the cross was coming in, and there is the intelligence. Knew the goalkeeper would be waiting for that cross. Went for the shot. Went all power. 1-1. What a game we've lined up for. Is that a goal? There's a long shout there. It was Daniel with that free header. Referee says play on.
That was a great ball, especially when they know that defender Daniel is there. Look at that header. Simply beautifully coming in, hitting the upright. Did he cross the line? And those are the hands up, really asking for that question over there.
Yeah, you've got to say it's been a brilliant bit of defending. Brilliant bit of defending, because that replay will tell you exactly that the ball did not cross the back of the line. Ball is put in. He's attempting to find Daniel. Finds Daniel. Gets the header. And yet again, FC Goa clear off the line. Dangerous. Still not averted. Finally, the calming presence of Hrithik, who looked nervous a while back, has ferried that home to safety.
Straight from the practice session, you get the ball there. Daniel will head it. But what an excellent defending over there, right on the line.
You just get the feeling that urgency when you're chasing this game, because FC Goa is clearly chasing this game, is not quite on display by FC Goa. If there are just 10 minutes remaining, you'd want a bit more. But instead, here comes Shillong Lajong. Marcos goes down, brought down by Hrithik. Referee stops play at the time. Now what everyone will be seeing is what card is coming down. Marcos has clearly gone down. Medical attention has been called for. And straight away, the Shillong Lajong players are crowding around the referee. It's a sight you don't like seeing in football. Let the referee do his job. Let him take his own decision at the time. But here comes that big decision. Red card. FC Goa are going down to 10 men for the last 10 minutes of this game in Shillong.
That was a great ball behind the defenders. There was no chance for this goalkeeper then going in to really stop this man, Marcus Reward. It was important for him to go and become big in front of him. Look at that ball coming in. Nobody really read that. He made his run inch perfect. And then all of a sudden, you see a huge goalkeeper in front of you. You try to go back and look at that high boot. Last man in defense. Nobody up there. There's surely going to be a red card. And referee Jairul Islam simply going into his pocket to get the red card and put the goalkeeper out. And now Goa will play with 10 men.
But here comes Shillong Lejong, and they've got acres of space, ample amount of space down that right flank. Balkaran to choose for, and he misses. There was the chance. The chance was there for Shillong Lejong.
It was a great ball over there. Look at that ball. Just screaming in front of you, really teasing the goalkeeper. Coming out, just had to tap the ball in the entire frame in front of you. Just misses it by inches. And that is Frankie Buam doing it time and again. Job ball, simply curl a little bit. It's not his day. What a time to bring his team.
Here come Shillong Lejong again. Here comes Frankie yet again. Takes that shot. Balkaran, brought into action for the very first time, does just about enough to keep Shillong Lejong from getting their second goal of the night.
It's such a beautiful ball over there. Look at that. He's got the awareness so well over there, Marcus. Finding Frankie over there. Frankie really trying to put that ball behind the box, but nevertheless, either it is the upright or the goalkeeper. This time, it's the brilliance of Balkaran who keeps the ball away.
Yep, and that game has finally come to an end. A referee blowing end to what has been an exciting game of football. A referee blowing to an end to what has been a brilliant game of football. Some beautiful football on display. Yes, of course, despair for FC Goa because their journey in this Durand Cup has come to an end. While Shillong Lejong FC, courtesy of this draw 1-1 today at the Nehru Stadium in Shillong, have moved on top of the points table as far as Group F is concerned, and thereby their journey in the Durand Cup continues. They move on. They march on to the knockouts.